we live in a house that was built in 1926. It's got a gas boiler with radiators, which we love. It's a little bit drafty, but you know, it's worked really well for us. And then at some point we put in central air conditioning, not through the whole house, but mostly the bedrooms upstairs and a couple of rooms downstairs. And that worked fine, but I have a studio space downstairs, which is just off the basement. It used to be the two-car garage. So that space works as my office, an exercise space during the pandemic. It's got a seating area. It has a lot of painting and drawing storage. It's maybe my favorite space in the house. The reason for that is because we put the split system in. Before then, it was always a little too hot, definitely too cold. There's like a radiator from 1926 that's on the ceiling, so there was like a little bit of heat in there, but it really was very uneven. And frankly, the humidity was one of the worst aspects because it just made the heating and the cooling much more extreme feeling. The first decision was like where to put the unit. But I was pretty certain I wanted it in this one location. And they came and put it in, and I mean, it wasn't even a full day. And then on the outside, the exterior unit is right under the deck. So they put that on a gravel bed, and you know, it's great. This is where we decided to put our unit, and I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's quiet. And here's our handy remote. It's actually set on 74. There we go to 73, and that's it. It's pretty great. You might hear a little fan noise, but not much. I have to be honest with you, the sound of the unit in the space, it's very subtle, very quiet, but it's actually calming to me. It's kind of a funny thing. I have always admired split systems, but I never really saw one for myself. You know, I was always like, I don't want that thing on the wall. And I am telling you, this is no lie, it's the best thing. I love it. It's quiet. I never really pay any attention to it. I mean, I love being in there, and it's kind of amazing.